Hey there, my amazing friends. Today I want to have a heart-to-heart chat about something close to me, patience. Yup, that little virtue that often gets overshadowed in our fast-paced world. Life can be tough sometimes, can't it? We've all experienced those moments when we feel like throwing in the towel when failure knocks us down. But guess what? It's in those very moments that we need to halt and embrace the struggle. You see, my friend, success doesn't come overnight. It takes time, effort, and you guessed it, patience. Let me share a little personal story with you. Back in April, I dislocated my elbow. It hurt, but you know what hurt even more? The fact that I had to deal with exams while wearing a cast. Talk about a patience test. But hey, I didn't give up. I stuck to my studies and pushed through the pain. It wasn't easy, but it taught me the value of perseverance and patience. I had even more struggles with YouTube and social media, building a wholesome community and creating engaging content. It all takes time. I faced moments of self-doubt and frustration, wondering if anyone was even listening. But you know what? I kept going. I reminded myself that every video I put out and every comment I received was a step forward. And slowly, I began to see the fruits of my patience. Oh, the world of art. It's a realm that truly tests our patience. Mastering a skill, finding your unique style, and creating beautiful works. It all takes time. I struggled with my art too, my friend. Countless hours spent honing my craft, experimenting with different techniques, and feeling discouraged along the way. But you know what? Mastery doesn't come easily. It's a journey, and every stroke of brush, every sketch, brings us closer to our artistic potential. Let me introduce you to someone who embodies the power of patience. Sam Young, known as Sam Knows Art. He started just like you and me, struggling to find his style, facing self-doubt, and contemplating giving up, but instead he chose to keep going, to practice day in and day out. And look at him now, his hard work and dedication paid off, and they've become an inspiration for artists all around the world. Now let's talk about Sam's incredible style. His ability to paint beautiful portraits is a result of years of patience and practice. Each stroke of his brush is deliberate, capturing the essence of subjects with grace and precision. It's a reminder that mastering any art form takes time, and with patience we can unlock the true potential within ourselves. Remember, my friend, a comparison is the thief of joy. Each of us has our unique path and timeline. It's easy to get caught up in the success stories of others and feel disheartened by our progress. But let's shift our perspective. Instead of focusing on what others have achieved, let's celebrate our own growth and recognize that our journey is unfolding exactly as it should. One of the incredible aspects of creative journey is the ability to connect with like-minded individuals. Building a community of fellow artists and supporters can provide a valuable network of encouragement and inspiration. Share your struggles, seek advice, and lift each other. Together we can navigate the challenges and celebrate our collective victories. Patience is not just about winning, it's about embracing the process of mastering your craft. It's about understanding that progress comes in small increments. Each practice session, each brush stroke is an opportunity for growth, so keep showing up, keep putting in the work, and trust that your patience will pay off. Let me take a moment to share more about my struggles. As I mentioned earlier, my elbow dislocation was a significant challenge. I had to endure exams with cast on, facing physical and mental obstacles, but through patience and perseverance, I managed to overcome the hurdles. It taught me the importance of resilience and never giving up on my dreams. Patience extends far beyond the realm of art. It's a valuable trait that can be applied to all aspects of life, whether you're pursuing a sport, building a career, or nurturing relationships. Patience allows us to persevere through challenges, learn from our mistakes, and appreciate the beauty of progress. So let's carry the virtue with us in every endeavor we undertake. Remember, my friend, dreams don't work unless you do. It's all about putting in the effort, even when it feels like you're not making any progress. The key is to trust the process and have faith in yourself. Rome wasn't built in a day, but every brick laid counted. Your small steps and your constant practice, they all add up and pave the way to greatness. So, my lovely friend, here's the takeaway. Be patient, be persistent, and never give up. Embrace the struggles, learn from your failures, and keep your eyes on the prize. Your dreams are worth every ounce of the patience you can master. Remember, you've got this, and I believe in you. Thank you for joining me on this inspiring exploration of patience and listening to me up until this moment. If this video resonated with you and you love painting, check out this art tutorial about improving your overall artistic skills.